Good morning, my dear students. Welcome you all to this session. Today's class, we are going to continue exercise 12.3. You can take page number 242 in your NCERT textbook. Actually, in this, they will give you some value of a variable. We are supposed to substitute that value of the variable to the given expression to find the value of the expression. Okay, so they will be giving you the value of the variables. Okay, so don't worry, they'll give you, so just we have to put that inside it and we should substitute it and find the answer of the variable. You can take page number 242 in your NCERT textbook. Okay, I hope you all have taken page number 242. From 8th problem, we have to do it today. Okay. So, 8th problem, first subdivision. If z is equal to 10, find the value of z cube minus 3 into z minus 10. So, this is what the expression and this is what the value of the given variable. So, first you solve the expression, which means we have to simplify the expression. Okay. Z cube minus 3 into z minus 10. This is what the expression which is given. Now what we have to do, we have to simplify the given expression. This minus 3 is common for z as well as minus 10, correct? So z cube minus 3 into z minus 3z minus into minus plus 3 into 10 30. Okay, minus 3 into z minus 3z minus into minus plus 3 into 10 30. So this is what the expression which is given. Now we have to substitute z is equal to 10. So when z is equal to 10, what is the value of the expression, children? 10 cube minus 3 into 10 plus 30. Yes. Now 10 cube is 10 into 10 cube is what, children? 10 into 10 into 10, which is nothing but 1000, correct? Now 10 cube is nothing but 1000 minus 3 into 10 minus 30 plus 30. So minus 30 plus 30 0, 0 plus 1000, 1000. So what is the value of the expression, children? 1000. So just we are substituting when z is equal to 10, so we are getting the value as 1000. What is the second subdivision, children? If p is equal to minus 10, find the value of p square minus 2p minus 100. Okay, so when p is equal to minus 10, find the value of p square minus 2p minus 100. We are supposed to just to put the value p is equal to minus 10. So what is the expression, children? P square minus 2p minus 100. Do we want to simplify the expression? No, we don't want to simplify it because all are unlike terms. So we don't want to simplify it. Next, when p is equal to minus 10, when p is equal to minus 10, what is substitution? Minus 10 the whole square minus 2 into minus 10 minus 100. Minus 10 the whole square minus 2 into minus 10 minus 100. So what is minus 10 the whole square, children? Minus 10 into minus 10, correct? Minus 10 the whole square is nothing but minus 10 into minus 10. Minus 10 into minus 10 is nothing but plus 100. Minus into minus plus 10 into 10 100. Appa plus 100 minus into minus plus 2 into 10 20 minus 100 plus 20 minus 20 plus 100 minus 100 0. 0 plus 20 20. So answer is what? 20. So this is what the value of the expression when p is equal to minus 10. Okay, understood? Next is your 9th problem. What's the question given? What should be the value of a if the value of 2x square plus x minus a equal to 5? They are asking the value of this a, children. We have to find the value of a when this expression is equal to 5. In that, not only a is given, x is also given. That x value they have given already. Just we are supposed to find the value of a when this expression is equal to 5, and we should substitute the value of x here to find the value of a. Okay, when I work out the problems, you will understand. Okay, what they are given? The expression 2x square plus x minus a is equal to 5, because the expression 2x square plus x minus a is equal to 5, which they have given already. They told no, the value 2x square plus x minus a is equal to 5. Now, when x is equal to 0, the x value is given as 0. So, we'll just substitute it. 2 into 0 square plus 0 minus a is equal to 5. Okay, 2 into 0 square is nothing but 2 into 0. Yes, 0 square is nothing but 0 plus 0 minus a is equal to 5. 2 into 0, 0 plus 0 minus a is equal to 5. 0 plus 0, 0. Is 0 minus a is equal to 5. 0 you don't want. Appo minus a is equal to 5. Correct? I want only a. Appo, if minus a is equal to 5, a is equal to minus 5. This minus will go that side. So, a is equal to minus 5. So, we got the value of a. Listen children, in this question, they have given that the value of this expression is 5. We should find the variable a. The value of the variable x is given. We should substitute the value of x like this, because I want to find only the value of a. This everything is 0. At last I am getting minus a is equal to 5. Appo, I told you, no, I want only a. I don't want minus a. Appo, I should, I have to reduce that minus a, right? Appo minus, if you divide a minus on both the sides, okay, if minus a is equal to 5, this is what the thing you know, right? If I want to cancel that minus 5, means I should divide by minus 1 on both the sides. So, minus will get cancelled. A by 1 is a. I don't know, whatever you're doing, you should do it on both the sides. That's why I'm doing minus 1 on both the sides. Our minus cancel, a by 1 is a. Appo, 5 by minus 1 is nothing but minus 5, right? That is what a is equal to minus 5. So, a value is nothing but minus 5. Understood? Next is your 10th problem. Simplify the expression and find its value when a is equal to 5, b is equal to minus 3. First, this is your expression, right? First, you should simplify the expression. Simplify means what? This 2 is common for both the two values. Upper 2 into a square, 2a square plus, because here plus into plus, 2 into ab, 2ab plus 3 minus ab. Okay, 2 into a square, 2a square, 2 into ab, 2ab plus 3 minus ab. Now arrange the like terms. These two are like terms, correct? Upper 2a square plus 2ab minus ab plus 3. I have arranged all the like terms together. Next, 2a square plus 2 minus 1 into ab plus 3. Yes, because the common variable I have taken outside, plus 2 minus 1. Upper 2a square plus 2 minus 1 is nothing but plus 1 ab plus 3. Now 2a square plus into plus ab plus 3. Okay, this is what the simplified expression. 2a square plus into plus ab plus 3. Now when a is equal to 5, b is equal to minus 3. Yes, just we have to substitute it. Upper 2 into a square now 5 square plus a now 5, b means minus 3 plus 3. Now 2 into 5 square is nothing but 5 into 5. 5 5s are 25. A square is 25. Now plus into minus 5 3s are 15 plus 3. Okay, 25 into 2 is nothing but 50 minus 15 plus 3. Now 50 minus 15 is nothing but what is the value? 35. Correct? 35 plus 3 plus 35 plus 3 is 38. Answer is what? 38 is the value of the given expression. See, I have solved the given expression and I have simplified the given expression and find the value of the expression by substituting a is equal to 5, b is equal to minus 3. So, answer is 38. Okay, understood? Next you can take page number 248. So, 243. Next you can take page number 243 children. In that they have given few theory concepts. using algebraic expressions. Using this expression, we are finding few formulas and rules. Okay, what are that formulas that we are going to discuss today? Perimeter formulas. We are going to discuss about the perimeter of certain figures. Perimeter of a equilateral triangle. Yes, perimeter of a equilateral triangle is, what is the perimeter of equilateral triangle, children? 3 into sides, correct? Or 3a, or you will write 3a, right? So here 3 into length of the sides they have given, which is nothing but 3 into sides. That side I am writing it as L. Upper how it will come? Perimeter of the equilateral triangle will be 3L, okay, or 3A. Okay, here the length of the side is given as L, so 3 into L. Okay, so this is what one of the expression, right? Because L is a variable, because the length of the side will change for every figures. So this is one of the expression. Next, perimeter of a square. Square, what is the formula? 4 into sides, correct? Here the side is given as L. Upper 4 into L is nothing but 4L. Okay, that is also an expression because here L is a variable. The length of the side will vary for every person's, every different figures. Next, perimeter of a regular pentagon. Pentagon means what? 5 into sides, correct? 5 into side. Side is nothing but here L. Upper 5 into L, which is nothing but 5L. So this is also an expression. Okay, here that is also an expression because this L will change, because here the L is a variable here that will obviously change and gives different values. Okay, next is your area formulas. Okay, they have given about the area formulas. What is the area of a square? It is nothing but side square or side into side, right? Here the side is given as L. Upper L into L. L into L is nothing but L square, or I can take the side as A. Upper A into A is nothing but A square. Okay, so it depends upon the different variables. Here I am taking the variable as L, so L square. If I take A square, B square, anything. Okay. Next, area of the rectangle. What is the area of rectangle? L into B, LB. L into B, LB. Anything you will write it. LB nothing but it is a variable. Here L is also a variable, B is also a variable. So this gives you an expression. Next, area of a triangle. You can see area of a triangle is nothing but half BH, which is nothing but half BH or BH by 2. Half BH means what? Half means what? 1 by 2, correct? So 1 by 2 BH they have given. Here base height, okay va? Appo base height divided by 2. So this is what your expression, which is nothing but area of the triangle, okay va? So this few example problems are given. Just read this out, so I'll understand more clearly about the formulas using the variable, how to make them as expression. Okay, this is your rules for number pattern. Okay, there are certain rules they are followed for number pattern that they'll be expressing using the expression. Okay, if natural number, if I am denoting it by n, means the successor means n plus 1, correct? If one not a successor, 1 plus 1 2. So if n not a successor, n plus 1. Okay va? So this is the expression. Here n is a variable. You can put any value for n and you can find the successor for that number. Correct? If n is 10 means 10 plus 1 11. So that is your successor. How you have found out? N plus 1 using the n plus 1 formula. If a natural number is n, then the successor will be n plus 1. Underline this. Okay. Next. This one, yes. If a natural number is n, means what is the even numbers, how it will be? It will be 2n. It means it will be multiples of 2. 2n will be the even number. 2n plus 1 is an odd number. Underline that. See, if a number is n is nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4 abhina, like that means 2n is nothing but 2, 4, 6. Okay, but if I put the n is equal to 1 means 2 into 1, 2 is an even number. 2 2s are 4 is an even number. Everything it is multiple of 2, that's why 2n is an even number. 2n plus 1, which means 2 into 2, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 is an odd number. So likewise, you will find the even number, odd number. So this you can underline it. If a natural number is denoted by n, 2n is an even number, 2n plus 1 is an odd number. Okay, understood? Next page you can see some more number patterns. Okay, see in that they have given the multiples of 3. 3, 6, 9, 12 like that. So what that number will be denoted as? 3n. Okay, see if it is a even number, it will be like multiples of 2. Correct? 2, 4, 6, 8 like that. So that will be represented as 2n. So here like 3, 6, 9, 12 means it is 3n. Okay, this is one of the number patterns. You can read this all things. Next, patterns in geometry. Okay, so that there are certain patterns. Okay, if it is like a quadrilateral means it will be like there will be certain formulas. If it is a quadrilateral, there will be diagonals for that, right? Diagonals means what? Line segment joining non-adjacent vertices. So that formula will be represented using expression which is nothing but n minus 3. Okay. Then here you can underline it. The number of diagonals we can draw from one vertex of a polygon of n sides is n minus 3. So if a figure is given, you can easily find how many diagonals will be there for that figure by using this n minus 3 formula. Okay, for example, heptagon. How many diagonals the heptagon will be having? 7 minus 3, 4. Upper 4 diagonals this heptagon will be having. Okay, like that. 8 minus 3, 5 diagonals will be there for octagon. Like that we can find by using the formula n minus 3. n minus 3 is nothing but an expression where you can directly form where it is used in the geometrical purposes. Okay. Next is your exercise 12.4. You can take page number 246. Okay, we are supposed to write the answers in the textbook itself. This exercise fully we are going to write it in the textbook itself. Okay, see, observe the pattern of the digits made from line segments of equal length. You will find such segmented digits on the display of electronic watches or calculator. See, in that figure, like 6, 4, like that, they have given figures, right? See, like this, lines, using the line segment, they have formed the number 6. Okay, here like 2, 6 joined, like that they have formed. Correct? Using the same line segments. Okay, like this. Like this they have given. This is like 6. So if you count all the line segments here, it is like 11. If you count all the line segments here, it is 16. Then next will be 21. Like that it goes on. So it is like a pattern. If 2, 4, 6, 8 like that, if it is a pattern, how we will write it? The general form 2n. Correct? See, if it is like 2, 4, 6, 8 like that, if it is there, what will be the general form, children? 2n. Correct? So likewise, if 6, 11, 16, 21 like that, if it is goes on, the general form will be 5n plus 1. Okay, what will be the general form? 5n plus 1. Next, B problem, like 4. Like 4, the same way line segment they are forming and they are forming the number 4. Then 2, like 2 4s joining. 2, 4 are joining here. This will be 7. If you count all the strips, this is one strip if you consider. This is your strip means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 strips will be there. Likewise, next will be 10. Then 13. If you goes on, what will be the pattern? 3n plus 1. Okay. Next is like 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this number looks like 8. But how many strips are there? 7 strips. Next 12 strips will be there. Next 17 strip will be there. Next 22 strip will be there. If it goes on, what will be the pattern which is following? 5n plus 2. So for the number 6, what is the pattern? 5n plus 1. For number 4, what is the pattern? 3n plus 1. For number 8, what is the pattern? 5n plus 2. So now they are asking, what is the value of this strip when n is equal to 5? What is the value of this strip when n is equal to 5, 10, 100? What is the value when when this expression for this 8 will be there, no? What is the value when n is equal to 5, 10, 100? Now we are supposed to find that. Okay, va? Now we are just going to find the number 6. Okay, if this is your number 6, okay, you can write like this, number 6. This is your number 6, correct? So what is the general form for that number 6, children? 5n plus 1, correct? What is the general form for that? 5n plus 1. So when n is equal to 5, what will be this expression? 5 into 5 in plus 1. N value you should substitute as 5, children. Above 5 into 5 plus 1. 5 5s are 25. 25 plus 1 is 26. So when n is equal to 5, 26 is your answer. Then when n is equal to 10, because first you should find when n is equal to 5, then for 10 I am going to do it. When n is equal to 10, 5 into 10 plus 1. 5 tens are 50. 50 plus 1, 51. Next, when n is equal to 100, because next third one is here, n is equal to 100. 5 into 100 plus 1. 5 into 100 is equal to 500 plus 1. 500 plus 1 is 501. So 26, 51, 501 are the values when n is equal to 5, 10, 100 for the number 6. Okay, next for number 4 I am going to do. This is the number 4. What is the equation for the number 4? See, for number 4 is 3n plus 1, correct? 3n plus 1. So when n is equal to 5, correct? 3 into 5 plus 1. 3 5s are 15 plus 1, 16. Yes, when n is equal to 10. Next 5 after n, then 10. 3 into 10 plus 1. 3 tens are 30 plus 1, 31. Then when n is equal to 100. 3 into 100 plus 1. 3 into 100, 300 plus 1, 301. So what are the three values when this expression is given? When n is equal to 5, 16 is the value of the expression. N is equal to 10, 31 is the value of the expression. N is equal to 100, 301 is the value of the expression. Next, for the number 8. Number 8 I am drawing. What is the expression for number 8, children? 5n plus 2. Okay. Now, when n is equal to 5. Okay. 5 into 5 plus 2. 5 5s are 25 plus 2, 27. This is what the first value. When n is equal to 100, so 10. First 10. 5 into 10 plus 2. 5 tens are 50 plus 2, 52. Next, when n is equal to 100, 5 into 100 plus 2, 500 plus 2, which is nothing but 502. So now I have find for all the three values. For 6, these three are the values. For 4, this is the expression. These three are the different values of the expression. For 8, this is the expression. These three are the different values of the expression. Understood? The next is your the tabular column problem. Next page it will be. Use the given expression to complete the table of the number pattern. See, we have to complete this table. Okay. See, the expression is given. The values of this n variable is given. Okay. When n is equal to 1, this is the value of the expression. Okay. When n is equal to 1, if you substitute here 2 into 1 minus 1, 2 into 1, 2 minus 1 is nothing but 1. So you got the value of expression as 1. When n is equal to 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 minus 1, 3. When n is equal to 3, 2 3s are 6, 6 minus 1, 5. When n is equal to 4, n is equal to 5. Like that it is given. N is equal to 10. So when n is equal to 100, what is the answer? See, when the n value is given for only 10, 100. till 5th it is given. After that they have given etc. Then 10 it is given, 100 it is given. You just find the values of these boxes alone. You don't want to find this and all because they didn't particularly mention you the value of n, correct? Only this 10 is mentioned, 100 is mentioned, and 5 is mentioned, 4 mentioned, 3 mentioned, 2 mentioned, 1 mentioned. So you just write only the values for the given values of n. Okay, so now 10 is given, 100 it is not given. Appo 2 into 100 minus 1. Appo 200 minus 1 is nothing but 199. So I have found it, correct? Next, for this, when n is equal to 1, 5. N is equal to 2, 8. 3, 4. 5 it is not there. Appo 2 into 5 plus 2 because 3 into 5 plus 2. 3n plus 2 means 3 into 5 plus 2. 3 5s are 15 plus 2, which is nothing but 17. So answer is 17. Therefore, then for you should find for 10, 100. Likewise, you have to fill this box. This is your homework. Okay, I have just taught you how to do it. Just complete this table. Okay. Today's class, we have discussed exercise 12.3 few problems and exercise 12.4. Today you have to write the answers of the first problem in your textbook itself, where you can take one paper and write it and stick near to that. Okay. Second problem, I have taught you only for one question. Remaining all you should find for when n is equal to 5, n is equal to 10, n is equal to 100. You should find the values and you have to fill that tabular column. That is your today's homework. Okay. This is your last exercise of this chapter. So what you can do is you can recall from first exercise. So you'll get a clear idea about this chapter 12. Okay. I hope you all understood, children. Thank you.